Hi everyone, and welcome to Simple Natural Wellness. Today we're diving into a tiny but powerful spice, cloves. These little buds are packed with health benefits that you might not know about. Let's explore 5 surprising ways cloves can improve your well-being. Cloves are amazing for your digestive health. They help stimulate the production of digestive enzymes, which can reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. Quick tip. Make a simple clove tea by boiling 3 or 4 cloves in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Drink it warm to soothe your stomach. Got a toothache? Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which has natural pain-relieving and antibacterial properties. How to use it. Dab a little clove oil onto a cotton ball and place it on the affected area for quick relief. It's a natural way to ease the pain. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, which help your body fight free radicals and boost your immune system. Regularly including cloves in your diet can help your body ward off infections, especially during cold and flu season. Struggling with a cough or congestion? Cloves can help clear your airways and make breathing easier. How to use it. Add a few drops of clove oil to steaming water and inhale deeply for instant relief. You can also chew a clove to soothe a sore throat. Cloves can work wonders for your skin, thanks to their antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. They're especially helpful for acne-prone skin. How to use it. Mix a drop of clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba oil, and apply it to the affected area. Do this once a day for clearer skin. So there you have it, 5 amazing benefits of cloves. These little buds are a natural powerhouse, perfect for your health and wellness journey. Which benefits surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Simple Natural Wellness for more tips and remedies. See you in the next video.